Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can set a custom spending limit on your Trading 212 card. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So first off, go ahead and open up your Trading 212 app. So here on the bottom menu, you have your home page, your stock portfolio, the search bar, and the Trading 212 debit card icon. So go over to the debit card, and once you're here, simply scroll down to the bottom where you can see your card limits settings. So as you can see, my daily spending is not set up. So to set a custom daily spending amount, just go ahead and click on this box right here. And here you have some default options that Trading 212 offers, but in my case I will just click on the lowest one and verify myself. And from here you can actually set a custom amount, let's say 100 euros. So select your amount and simply click the set button right here. Now you can exit this screen, and if you click again onto your daily limit here, you can see that your daily spending limit is set to 100 euros, as we selected. So that's how you set your daily spending limit on Trading 212 debit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.